Good morning, students. Welcome to the science classes. Hope you all are fine. Now, in continuation of our previous lectures, today we are going to start our next topic from the chapter Metals and Non-Metals. The next we will discuss two topics in this class. One is reactivity series that we will discuss first, and second one is reaction of metals with salts of other metals. These two topics we will discuss in this class, but first of all we will discuss the reactivity series. Now, what is reactivity series? It is the arrangement of metals in order of their decreasing activities, right? It means the most reactive metals are put on the top and the least reactive metals are put at the bottom. Now the question arises that why potassium, sodium are more reactive and copper, mercury are less reactive? As we all know that metals have the tendency to lose electrons, and they are electropositive. Now sodium also loses the electron and copper also loses the electron, but the tendency in the sodium to lose electron is more. It is fast and it is more. Tendency to lose electrons is fast, but in copper the tendency to lose electron is very slow. That's why sodium is more reactive than copper. Now in reactivity series, the second question is that hydrogen is not a metal. Students, see, we have keep hydrogen in also in this activity series of metals. Hydrogen is not a metal. So why we have put hydrogen in this reactivity series? Because hydrogen also have the tendency to lose electron. Hydrogen also have the tendency to lose electron. So we put hydrogen here to compare the metals reactivity. We put a mark like hydrogen that the metals above the hydrogen are more reactive and the metals below the hydrogen are less reactive. Metals like silver, gold, they are least reactive. Rather we can say they do not react. Now this is a reactivity series. The above the metals at the top are most reactive, and as we come downward this reactivity goes on decreasing as the metals below the hydrogen are very least reactive. We have done this reactivity series before this topic because this is related to the reactivity series, because the first, according to the first topic, reaction of metals with salts. What is the reaction of metals with salt? We will write, here is metal A, salt solution of metal B. So in this reaction, if this metal is more reactive than this metal, it will displace the other metal. This is become the metal B plus salt solution of A. The more reactive metal always displaces the less reactive metal, and this reaction is known as displacement reaction, which we have discussed earlier. We take the example of iron. If iron is put in copper sulfate solution, this is copper sulfate solution which is blue in color. What is the color of copper sulfate? It is blue. Now iron is more reactive than copper. So it will displace copper from copper sulfate and it will take its sulfate, it will become ferrous sulfate and copper will get deposited on the iron. For this we have done an activity as we will took copper sulfate in this solution and we will put an iron nail in it. After some times we will see what will happen in the test tube. We will see the color of the solution will change from blue to light green. And copper will deposit it on this iron nail. Light green color is due to the formation of ferrous sulfate, as we know that the color of ferrous sulfate is light green. So this is displacement reaction. Reaction when the more reactive metal reacts with the less reactive metal of the salt solution, it displaces the less reactive metal. That we can see from the reactivity series, and this reaction is known as displacement reaction. So students, we have discussed today two things. One is reactivity series and the other one is reaction of metal with salts of other metals. In reactivity series, we have seen that the most reactive metals are put on the top of the series and the least reactive metals are put at the bottom. And hydrogen is included in this series because hydrogen also have the tendency to lose electron. The metals above the hydrogen are more reactive than the metals below the hydrogen. This you have to learn, and all this reactivity series have been come to the knowledge after doing many experiments of the displacement reaction. Many displacement experiments were done to create this reactivity series. Okay, bete, thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.